Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Global, where we share some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. There's nothing more comforting than a hot bowl of Chicken Manchow Soup. Bold flavors, spicy warmth, tender chicken, crunchy veggies, and that rich aromatic broth. If you love Indo-Chinese food, this one is a must-try at home. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we'll be sharing a detailed step-by-step recipe for Chicken Manchow Soup made with fresh vegetables, a flavor-packed chicken stock base, egg drop ribbons, and crispy fried noodles on top. You'll learn the exact cutting style, seasoning, and cooking techniques so your soup tastes just like a top restaurant version but made at home without any preservatives. So let's get cooking and prepare this global favorite, delicious Chicken Manchow Soup. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. We are using 250 grams of boneless chicken leg cut into small pieces. Add half teaspoon of salt. Add quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything nicely. Cover and keep aside for at least 15 minutes. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. All the vegetables are finely chopped. 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of carrots, 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of French beans, 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of capsicum, 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of cabbage, 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of spring onion whites, 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of spring onion greens, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery, 1 medium-sized green chili, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 1½ tablespoon of finely chopped garlic cloves, quarter cup of coriander or cilantro leaves, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3/4 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 80 grams of egg noodles for garnishing, 4 cups or 1 liter of chicken stock. If you want to learn how to make chicken stock at home, refer to our recipe which is given in the description box or comment chicken stock and we will send you the link. Take 1 egg for the egg drop. Beat it well and keep it ready. For the slurry, you will need 4 tablespoons or quarter cup of corn flour. Add 8 tablespoons or half cup of water. Mix it well and keep it aside. Your slurry is ready. Step 3. Preparing the fried noodles. Fill a pan halfway with water and place it on medium heat. Once the water is boiling, add the noodles. Boil until they are 90% cooked. Once done, drain and let them dry slightly. On medium-low heat, in an open, thick-bottom pan, add cooking oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, add the noodles little at a time as the noodles are boiled and the oil may start bubbling and could pour out if you add the entire batch of noodles in one go. Deep fry the noodles until they become golden and crispy. Once done, remove them from the pan and keep them aside to cool. Once cooled, break them into medium-sized sticks. Fried noodles are ready. Step 4. Preparing the Chicken Manchow Soup. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the garlic pieces. After a minute, add the ginger pieces. Stir everything nicely. After a minute, add the white part of the spring onion. Sauté for 1 minute until fragrant. Add the celery and sauté for some time. Add the green chili pieces and sauté for a few seconds. Now add the marinated chicken and sauté for at least 8 minutes or until it is slightly cooked and the chicken has changed color. Stir frequently to prevent burning.
Subscribe to Get Cooking Global for some of the most popular recipes from India and around the world. Press the bell icon so that you're instantly notified when we upload a new recipe.
After 8 minutes, add the carrots and add the French beans. Stir everything properly. Add the cabbage. Add the capsicum. Stir fry them for 3 to 4 minutes. Now pour in the chicken stock. If chicken stock is not available, then you can dissolve chicken stock cubes in 4 cups or 1 liter of warm water. Add the soya sauce. Add the black pepper powder. Add the sugar. Add the vinegar. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix everything nicely. Bring it to a good boil. Once it is boiling, mix it well and slowly add the corn flour slurry. Mix everything nicely. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Reduce the heat to low and gently pour in the whipped egg, creating silky egg drop ribbons. Add the coriander or cilantro leaves. Add the spring onion greens. Mix everything properly. Check the taste and add whatever is required. We added 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Simmer for around 2 minutes. Once done, put the heat off. Pour the soup in a bowl. If you enjoy authentic recipes and global cooking techniques, make sure to subscribe to weekly videos on Get Cooking Global. Do also share our channel with your friends and family members. Garnish with spring onion greens and a handful of crispy fried noodles. Serve the Chicken Manchow Soup hot with soya sauce and green chili vinegar. Delicious Chicken Manchow Soup is ready. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Share this video with your friends and family and do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.